Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Hudson from Ocean Networks Canada. Today we're going to dive in and explore the deep ocean. With 1.35 billion cubic kilometers of water in the oceans, this might make our task a little challenging. So how do we dive deep and explore? I'm pretty sure this equipment won't get us very far. Underwater mountains, valleys, volcanoes, high pressure, cold temperatures, little to no light makes the deep ocean really challenging to explore. Lucky for us, we have technology on our side. A remotely operated vehicle, or ROV for short, is a machine that is used in ocean exploration. ROVs can explore and work in environments that humans can't travel. ROVs are controlled by pilots on land or on a ship who are not in the ROV driving it, so they need to rely on sensors, cameras, and lights to work in the environment. Since Ocean Networks Canada has scientific observatories on the ocean floor, we need to use ROVs to plug in or remove scientific instruments. ROVs also help us conduct scientific experiments and collect delicate samples. Today, you're going to make a model of an ROV grabbing arm. Here's what you need. We're going to pretend that the cotton ball is the sample you need to pick up from the ocean floor. So grab a cotton ball or something similar. You're going to need some wooden skewers, an elastic, and some pipe cleaners. You could use optional materials like a paper straw or a ear stick, but it's up to you to decide. The only rule is you're going to try to pick up the cotton ball without touching the cotton ball with your hands and using only the materials to grab it. So, what do you think you can build? I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to take my wooden skewers and attach them with the elastic. So, maybe I can grab my cotton ball now. It's more challenging than you think, but success! Woohoo! Do you think you need more of a challenge? Why don't you try limiting yourself to one of each type of piece of equipment, or build it and then have someone else use it. A final challenge is take less time to build it. See what you can come up with.